Hello, Leo here from Plutio, and today we are finally revealing the long-waited for update that you've all been waiting for almost 2 months now. So I think it's time for us to reveal what we've been working on. First things first, we have completely rebuilt Plutio from the ground up based on an API. This will allow us to soon start integrating with third-party tools like Google Calendar, Zapier, and so much more. But this also means now you have a faster, more reliable, and more secure experience with Plutio. Coming up next is a feature we've all been waiting for a very long time. Proposals and contracts. Yes, that's right. So starting today, you'll be able to create stunning proposals and contracts using our intuitive drag and drop editor. You'll also be able to save them as a template to save you time next time you create them. And you'll be able to automatically create projects and invoices once a proposal has been signed and approved. Now, isn't that just amazing? The next feature is phase 1 of white labeling. In this update, you'll be able to change the default purple color of the interface to whatever color you want to match your own brand. And you will also be able to upload a logo so you can replace the Plutio logo on the sign-in pages with your own. We believe it's important that you're able to customize Plutio to match your way of working and to make it fit your own workflow. And that's why we've just introduced custom fields for projects, invoices, and even people. So just like you can create custom fields for tasks, you now can create them for almost anything else in Plutio. So you can track whatever data you need. The time tracking feature has been used intensively since we've launched it a couple of months ago, and we've just released a few updates and improvements to enhance the experience. For example, you'll now be able to manually log time, so if you forgot to track your time, you'll now be able to just manually add it to the timesheet. And that was a quick overview of all the exciting features we have just released today. And alongside these features, we've also released tons and tons of improvements and bug fixes to enhance your experience with the platform in general. We really hope you enjoy this new update, and we can't wait to hear your feedback. Enjoy! See you later!